Alright, so in this quick video tutorial for the SD-WAN client, I'm going to show you how to install the SD-WAN client on Mac, get it up and running, and connecting devices on the Fabric. So I'm going to start this journey from VMware Customer Connect. This is where I'm going to be able to find the installer for both Mac and Windows and initiate the download. So we'll go ahead and save this off to my desktop. Great, now that the file has been downloaded, let's go ahead and kick off the installation process. So it's just a standard installer. We're going to go ahead and click through the options here. So make sure you read through any licenses and continue. Once you agree with the license, you can just click on. It's pretty straightforward. It's going to ask you for your password. And the installation was successful. So now it's going to go ahead and auto launch. And it's going to be ready for use. So let's go ahead and log on using our credentials. So in this case, I have it integrated with an IDP. We'll discuss what that configuration looks like in a later video. Just for now, we're just going to go ahead and authenticate to the service. And there you have it. We're authenticated to the Fabric. We're ready to begin our work, whatever the backend configuration allows us to do, and we'll explore that in a later video. So I thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.